Hey everybody, here's what you're going to be doing today. You are going to be watching this DNA structure video. It will be linked here just in a moment. You'll click on that, watch the video. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to fill in your student notes, and if you press next after the daily agenda, you will have a lecture pre-recorded with me going over the DNA structure. So that is this one right here. Watch this on your own pace, pause it as many times as you need to, do whatever you need to do to fill in those notes. It is really important that you do watch this and you don't just go through the slides. The next thing you're going to do is this DNA structure and base pairing practice. So if you click on this link here, this is a page, you don't need to click on this link, but this is a page that you will pick up. You're going to start with this side here. You are going to write complementary DNA strands for every template or original strand. So remember, apples in the tree, car in the garage. So anytime I see an A, I'm going to write T underneath it. Anytime I see C, I'm going to write G underneath it. So the first four nucleotides that would match up with these bases are T, G, G, A. If I don't understand that, I need to go back and re-watch the video of the notes. Once I get this done, I'm going to go to the other side of the page and I'm going to create my nucleotides. So I'm going to pick 3 strands from down here. Let's say I pick these first 3, ACC, ATC, and CTC. I'm going to pick these 3 strands of DNA. When I come up here, I'm going to then draw in the corresponding nucleotide base. So I know that all adenines have to be green, all thymines have to be yellow, and all cytosines orange, guanines blue. So this first one here is ACCT, so on and so forth. I'm just going to do the first 4 with you. So this would need to be ACCT. So for adenine, I'm going to do a green one. For cytosine, I'm going to do orange, another cytosine orange, and a thymine yellow. Then I need to do their matching. So this was A, so the matching is going to be T, thymine. So I'm going to do another yellow thymine right here. This was cytosine, so I'm going to match with guanine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine. And then I'm going to go as far in that chain as it ends. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll stop after this G. Then I'll do the next one. I want to do this one next, so I'll do as many as I can right here, and then a third one. This needs to be completed, and a picture will be uploaded into Canvas in this section. So you will be uploading a photo right here in the DNA structure and pairing practice. The next thing you're going to do is some DNA origami, and that is a separate video that you can watch. I will link it in here. Best of luck. The only thing that you're doing today is going over notes, the DNA structure and pairing practice, which you do need to upload a copy into Canvas, and lastly, the DNA origami.